Hello everyone, my name is Glenna. In this short video, I will show you how to navigate through Skipster's account settings. You can find the account settings at the top right of your browser. Please be aware that these settings are only visible to the account owner and users that have admin access on your Skipster account. Let's go to each section one by one. The Profile tab is where you can see and edit your profile login information, password, and turn on the multi-factor authentication for your user login. This is also where the account owners can transfer account ownership to a different member of their team. In the Account Details tab, you can manage the settings of your Skipster account. Details is where you can input your company name and address details. From here, you can define your date format, sort order, display order, and default time zone for all events in Skipster. In Plans and Billing, you can see the type of plan you have in Skipster as well as the next billing date. Here you can manage your subscription, add your payment and billing details, and also view and download your billing invoices. Under Data Export is where the account owner or any user assigned with admin access can generate and download event reports on the account level and select what information to include for one, a few, or all events available in your Skipster account. In the Customization tab is where you can customize specific elements in your account. The Default Guest Field section shows you which default fields are already available to you in Skipster. These include the first name, last name, guest status, and so on. These default fields cannot be deleted or renamed, but you can add up to 10 custom guest fields here on the account level. Find out more on how to work with custom fields in our Help Center. Email white labels. If you are planning to use Skipster's invitations feature, here you can white label your domain and verify your email addresses. Custom domain. Professional level accounts can choose between the two domains available to host RSVP forms and table sharing. Enterprise accounts additionally have the option to add and verify their own domain. Templates. Enterprise level accounts have the option to create invitation templates and select which ones are active, as well as duplicate or delete specific templates. Under the Security tab, you will find the Device Activity and Password settings. Device Activity section enables you to see all users and active devices that are currently logged in. Enterprise users are able to revoke access for any devices and can manually log users out. Password settings is an enterprise feature that allows you to define a specific password policy like password length and complexity. Here, you can reset the passwords for all users on the account and also enable multi-factor authentication for all user logins. The Integrations tab is where you will see the API access and connected accounts. API access is an enterprise function which enables you to integrate other tools such as your CRM software and Skipster. This allows your development teams to build a fully customized workflow according to your needs. Connected accounts. Professional and enterprise users can connect Skipster with Zoom and other tools. You can use Skipster's native integration with Zoom for virtual events registration and guest attendance tracking. With Zapier, you can connect Skipster with payment and ticketing platforms and other tools you are using. You can learn more about the available integrations in our Help Center. Under the Users and Teams tab, you can manage your users, teams, permission schemes, and single sign-on. Users is the section where you can add new users for your account by inviting their email or creating their user logins. From here, you can also reset the user's password, deactivate users, or completely delete them from the account. Teams is an enterprise plan feature that allows you to group users into teams inside the account. Teams can be managed from here and provide access to events automatically. Permission schemes. The two types of permission schemes in Skipster are the event permission scheme and the account permission scheme. This is the section where you can find them. The permission schemes will define what kind of access each user has on the account level and on the event level. Enterprise plans will have the capability to create and manage their permission schemes on top of the predefined schemes available in Skipster. Single sign-on is another enterprise feature, and in this section you can set up SSO for your account. SSO increases security and streamlines your login process in Skipster. Head to our Help Center for more tutorial videos and articles, and thanks for watching.